Muscles and movement. How do muscles work? Bones cannot move by themselves. We are able to move because we have muscles that cover our skeleton. Some of our muscles are attached to our bones. Our muscles pull on our bones to make them move. How do muscles work? Our muscles can pull on bones, but the muscles cannot push on the bones. So our muscles need to work in pairs in order to make the bones move. When our triceps contract or shorten, they pull down the bone in our lower arm. This allows our arm to straighten. Our biceps relax. Our triceps relax. When our biceps contract or shorten, they pull up the bone in our lower arm. This allows our arm to bend.